Welcome to Ideal Vehicles. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated developments in automotive history, the upcoming all-electric Ferrari, expected to debut in 2026. This isn't just another EV. This is Ferrari's bold leap into the future. A brand known for roaring V12s, handcrafted bodies, and the unmistakable growl of Italian horsepower is now preparing to write its next chapter silently, yet no less ferociously, with electrons instead of fuel. For years, Ferrari resisted the EV wave. While competitors like Porsche, Lotus, and even Lamborghini began experimenting with hybrids and full electric platforms, Ferrari stood its ground, perfecting its hybrid systems like in the SF90 Stradale and the 296 GTB. But now, everything is about to change. The iconic prancing horse is reportedly gearing up for its first fully electric supercar, and the automotive world is holding its breath. Why? Because when Ferrari does something, it doesn't just join the trend, it redefines the standard. Early. Leaks and patents suggest that Ferrari's EV will be built from the ground up. This won't be a conversion of an existing platform. Expect a completely new chassis, likely based on a lightweight carbon fiber and aluminum mix, optimized for battery placement, weight distribution, and handling balance. Ferrari has hinted at advanced torque vectoring systems and potentially even individual motors per wheel, giving the EV ultra-precise cornering capabilities, something that could push it beyond even what's possible with their current internal combustion lineup. And then there's the question everyone's asking: how do you give an electric car a soul? Ferrari's answer, it seems, lies in a patented system designed to simulate gear shifts and engine sounds, even though an EV doesn't technically need either. This isn't gimmicky, it's about emotion. Driving a Ferrari has always been about feeling connected to the machine. If Ferrari can recreate that emotional connection in an EV, they won't just satisfy loyalists, they'll win over an entirely new generation. Performance figures are still under wraps, but industry insiders speculate that the 2026 Ferrari EV could produce well over 1,000 horsepower. Given the brand's history and competitive nature, it's almost guaranteed to challenge or surpass the Rimac Nevera and Tesla Roadster in acceleration, handling, and track capability. Expect 0 to 60 mph in under 2 seconds, possibly even around 1.8 seconds with top speeds north of 220 mph. But Ferrari won't be chasing numbers alone, they'll be chasing experience. Expect a blend of raw power, intelligent control, and pure driver engagement. Battery tech will be crucial, and Ferrari is reportedly investing heavily in solid-state or next-gen lithium-ion packs that offer higher energy density, better thermal management, and faster charging. There are even rumors that Ferrari is developing its own proprietary cooling and integration systems to make sure the EV stays light, balanced, and track-ready, true to the Ferrari ethos. The car will likely support fast DC charging, with an 80% recharge possible in under 20 minutes. But don't be surprised if Ferrari focuses more on dynamic recharge options and on-track range optimization rather than just convenience. Design-wise, fans can expect something radically new yet unmistakably Ferrari. Think of a body that blends classic aerodynamic curves with futuristic detailing, ultra-slim matrix LED headlights, active aero components, and a rear that screams performance even when it's standing still. The interior will also see a major evolution, still driver-focused, but now infused with cutting-edge digital tech, AI-assisted driving dynamics, and advanced HUD systems. Expect sustainable materials, minimalist Italian craftsmanship, and a cabin that echoes both the past and future of the brand. What makes this launch even more significant is how it marks a turning point, not just for Ferrari, but for the entire hypercar segment. With EU and US emissions regulations tightening year after year, even the most legendary brands must evolve. Ferrari's EV isn't just a compliance car, it's a statement of intent. It says, "We will lead, not follow." And that leadership is likely to have ripple effects across the entire luxury and performance automotive world. Another major factor is Ferrari's brand loyalty. Unlike Tesla or Lucid, Ferrari has generations of passionate followers. collectors, racers, dreamers, who are deeply invested in the brand's legacy. This first EV won't just be bought for its specs, it'll be bought because it's a Ferrari. And that carries a weight of expectation and prestige that no other EV manufacturer can claim. The EV Ferrari will likely be produced in very limited numbers initially, possibly under 1,000 units, making it both a collector's item and a technological showcase. Think of it as the new benchmark, the spiritual successor not just to the LaFerrari, but to the entire idea of what a hypercar can be in the electric era. And let's not ignore the competition. By 2026, McLaren, Aston Martin, Koenigsegg, and even Bugatti will have their own EVs or hybrids in production. But Ferrari's first EV won't just be about joining the race, it'll be about setting the pace. Everything from the sound simulation, chassis balance, energy recovery systems, and aerodynamics will be tuned to deliver what Ferrari fans expect, something utterly exhilarating, elegant, and unmistakably Italian. From a business perspective, this model also opens doors to new markets, younger drivers, sustainability-focused enthusiasts, and even new regions like the Middle East and Asia, where EV infrastructure is booming, will find this car incredibly appealing. It's the perfect blend of heritage and innovation. So what's next? Expect a gradual reveal strategy. Ferrari will likely tease key elements, maybe a concept design at a major auto show, followed by performance demos on track, and finally a full unveiling with limited production slots announced. And when it does arrive, one thing is certain: the automotive world will never be the same again. Thank you for watching Ideal Vehicles. If you're excited to see Ferrari go electric, or curious about how this iconic brand will redefine the EV world, hit like, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the future of performance. Because what comes next isn't just a car. It's the birth of a new legend.